Awkward.
Awkward mean clumsy, ungainly, ponderous, rough.
Opposite meanings are clever, dexterous, apt, skillful.
Apparent.
Apparent mean evident, obvious, perceptible, distinct.
Opposite meanings are masked, obscure, indistinct, doubtful.
Allure.
Allure mean entice, fascinate, tempt, seduce.
Opposite meanings are repulse, repel, deter, distaste.
Abortive.
Abortive mean vain, useless, fruitless, unproductive.
Opposite meanings are effectual, productive, successful, progressive.
Abominable.
Abominable mean odious, detestable, repugnant, aversion.
Opposite meanings are likable, pleasant, affectionate, enjoyable.
Allay.
Allay mean pacify, soothe, lighten, assuage.
Opposite meanings are aggravate, heighten, agitate, excite.
Axiom.
Axiom mean maxim, saying, dictum, truth.
Opposite meanings are absurdity, blunder, ridiculousness, irrelevant.
Assidous.
Assidous mean constant, diligent, attentive, persevering.
Opposite meanings are indifference, careless, indolent, lethargic.
Abject.
Abjure mean forsake, renounce, retract, revoke.
Opposite meanings are approve, sanction, patronize, adopt.
Abject.
Abject mean despicable, servile, base, contemptible.
Opposite meanings are exalted, commendable, praiseworthy, imposing.
Aversion.
Aversion mean dislike, hatred, indifferent, apathy.
Opposite meanings are affection, fondness, niceness, kindness.
Authentic.
Authentic mean genuine, reliable, valid, guaranteed.
Opposite meanings are fictitious, counterfeit, unreal, false.
Audacity.
Audacity mean boldness, arrogance, insolence, haughtiness.
Opposite meanings are mildness, humility, cowardice, submission.
Astute.
Astute mean clever, intelligent, wise, brilliant.
Opposite meanings are dull, unintelligent, shallow, stolid.
Abettor.
Abettor mean assistant, accomplice, colleague, associate.
Opposite meanings are opponent, adversary, antagonist, rival.
Abate.
Abate mean moderate, mitigate, lessen, decrease.
Opposite meanings are aggravate, intensify, augment, supplement.
Arraign.
Arraign mean charge, blame, accuse, complain.
Opposite meanings are exculpate, pardon, condone, exonerate.
Apathy.
Apathy mean unconcern, indifference, insensitivity, aloofness.
Opposite meanings are concern, care, anxiety, eagerness.
Alien.
Alien mean foreigner, outsider, stranger, emigrant.
Opposite meanings are native, citizen, resident, occupant.
Alacrity.
Alacrity mean swiftness, briskness, promptness, speed.
Opposite meanings are laziness, sluggishness, indolence, lethargy.